Hi folks, and welcome back to another quick painting table update, and just going to go through what I've completed this month, and also give you a little quick preview of what I'm hoping to achieve next month as well. So yeah, I've mainly been working on my 10mm Austrians. I've managed to finish off the two remaining line infantry units, and I've also managed to get some flags as well. Normally I hand paint my flags, but the Austrian flags at this scale is just too much. So I have purchased some from Pendragon. So that's the 4 infantry units for the Austrians. The next up for the Austrians will be the cavalry. I've got 2 units of dragoons. So yeah, it's working well. As I say, I really enjoying these 10mm stuff as always. It's I find it the perfect scale these days for Napoleonics. As I say, I do have a vast collection of 28mm, but just don't have the space now all the time really to play those games. So yeah, so that's mainly what I've been getting up to this month. I've also obviously been working on my Climb the Lead Mountain challenge as well. So I'll pause the video here quick and I'll show you how I've got on with those. And there you have it. Yep, the next batch completed. These, as you may remember, are the Americans' 1840s Seminole Wars. The miniatures themselves, sorry about the light, it's still not fantastic. The light, as I say, the miniatures themselves are Perry's. So I can adjust the light a little bit more. There you go. And yeah, the Perry's miniatures, Cape Wars, but these are straight out of the tin, so to speak, just the bobble taken off the top of the hat. These guys are meant to be, yeah, sort of standard American infantry, sort of taken from the film Distant Drums. I don't know how accurate that is in the uniforms, but yeah, they worked out quite well. So it's still a bit dark despite the light and the lamps, and I'm also adjusting the camera's light as well, so it's not really being very helpful. But yeah, I've managed to finish off those guys. Up next, to be honest, I haven't got a clue. So this month's going to be a bit of a surprise. Yeah, as I say, I was thinking of painting some of the Game of Thrones figures that I bought a while back, but as I say, we'll see what happens. I'd like to get some of those done, but as I say, the other stuff that I'd like to do for my gaming, rather than clearing the lead mountain, is sort of piling up as well. So we've almost got 2 lead mountain building now, but hey ho, that's how it is. What I've also been working on while I've been wittering away at I've managed to get or make a start and get some of the plastic figures for my Imaginations army. These guys are going to be part of the Eastern sort of units. These guys are actually 1:72 scale red box, I believe, which are Ukrainian company, I think. Yeah, these guys are Ottoman Turks, so as I say, the Eastern Alliance is going to be sort of based around the 16th, 17th century Ottoman army. So these are the heavy cavalry, so to speak. I've given the horses the once over. Just going to work on the riders, so lovely colourful armies. It's going to be obviously Ottoman army. It's going to be mainly or heavily influenced with cavalry, but there are going to be some infantry in it as well. These guys I've kind of started doing the undercoat on. These guys I think are Russian noble cavalry, I think, but anyway, we're going to use them as the Eastern Alliance. So there's lots more cavalry coming, lots of light cavalry and some infantry. What I've also been working on, I've got my order through from Pendragon Miniatures, and I'm going to be working on these guys. These are Welsh Spearsmen. I think they're listed as Saxons, early Saxons in the Pendragon catalogue. So as I say, I'm painting these guys up as Welsh Spearsmen. I have a couple of units of them, so I want to add a couple of command bases to them as well. So going to be working on those. So yeah, it's plenty going on. I was actually asked quite recently how many different periods I've got painted on my painting table. Yeah, probably about 5 and about 3 different scales as well. But as I say, it's always good to keep that sort of thing going, because you like to get the wow, that's bright, isn't it? Drop the colour down, dry light down a bit. There you go. Yeah, it's always good to keep the old brain ticking over. As I say, that's pretty much it for the video for this month. As always, I'd like to say thanks for those that took the time to watch the video, and any questions and queries, leave them in the comments and I will get back to you. And as always, bye for now.